Hey everybody, X Joe81X, and on the tubes today we're going to be cleaning a little patio table. What are we going to be doing? I just said it. We're going to be cleaning a patio table. Well, you could use anything you want. You could use soap, water, whatever products. But if you have the product, if you don't have a product, and you want to use a product, use Super Clean. It dissolves grease, super easy and super fast. It doesn't have to be greasy. It just has to be dirty. There's a couple of things you want to read on the back at your pleasure. Maybe that, you could hit pause. They don't want you to make it, they don't want you to dry it. They say, don't dry it. It's actually filled with some sand. So what you can do first is just wipe off all the stuff you don't need. If you can. You don't have to. The less on here, the better. The kids were playing with some sand. And you just throw on some of this stuff. Yeah, you want to shake it? There's two different things. There's a spray nozzle right here, off. And then there's a stream. I like the spray. So we'll just put this on. Now they say you shouldn't let it dry. It's a nice day out. I'm going to use a lot of paper towels. You don't have to use paper towels. You could use a rag. And you just start from where you started. And you bring it on in. Bring it on in. Bring it on around. Does this come out? At one point it did. You bring it around. Look at that action. This is great. You want to go back and get what's left so you can enjoy a nice sit down and it's not that dirty. Hey, look at that. You want to do it again? We could do it again. Because we can. It looks like the corners here are a little bit more dirtier than the actual glass, if that makes sense. Look at that. I think this is ready for a summer of fun. Don't you think? Do you have anything else to clean, X-Joe81X? Sure I do. Do they have different kinds of products? Well, it's the same name. What are you asking for? Do they have something like an aerosol can? Oh, you mean like this? Of course they do! It's made perfectly for your stubborn brakes and grills and engines. Yes, it is a degreaser. And here is the same directions. It's a degreaser. Why would it not be a degreaser? But it's also a biodegradable detergent. So, you see this dirt and grime? Well, let's see if Super Clean can make this super clean. Foaming action is not visible because the application is white. As far as the wall, got a paper towel. We'll start with the wall. The wall was pretty okay. And then we have some residual. Let's bring it to the camera. We have a lot more. You could actually work that in. Excuse you. And then off camera, you saw that, and then we could come on back. If you choose to use the same towel, we could come on back. You could fold it, get a dry spot, and bring it on back. And let's just get rid of all that dirt and grime from this thing. And you can use one or two other pieces or a towel. You could clean it with a towel and wash the towel out with whatever you feel as if, you know, I don't know if you think that's clean enough. Oh, I got some here on the electrical panel. This is just some random shelf that was getting dirty here. Look at that. There's some random dirt on this sewer pipe. Just natural dirt. We're in a garage. You start your car. You open it. You open the door. It's just natural stuff. And there you have it, everybody. Today's video was brought to you by Super Clean. They make aerosol cans. They make spray bottles. They make tire cleaner. If you like this product, go to their website. Purchase it. Talk to them about it. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Super Clean video.